Authors often find situations where they need to find text or HTML code that can be replaced across hundreds of topics. The all-new multi-file Find and Replace tool goes way beyond simply finding a word and replacing it. This new utility has been completely redesigned to provide advanced options that are easy to use. Let's take a look at 3 scenarios. Find and replace a word in the topic text. Find an inline style that needs to be removed from the HTML code. And then finally, we'll do something a little more complicated with regular expressions. Start by looking in the Find and Replace Options panel. It can be as simple or as complex as you need. For more power, you can click the Advanced Mode button. We can also see the new Find Results pod, so changes are easier to make. Now we are ready to do a simple find and replace. First, we'll find the word data and replace it with the word information. Notice how the Find Results pod records the number of files and instances of each occurrence. This new workflow saves a lot of time. By double-clicking on the Match Line item, the HTML editor opens immediately to the location. Then I can edit or automatically replace and go on to the next occurrence. The Find Results pod even tells me the line number containing the item. Next, I'll search for an inline style. In this scenario, another author has manually added an inline style to make the text color red. I would like to remove this because it is interfering with my overall CSS style sheet. To save time, I can reuse my previous find and replace terms kept in history. Finally, let's do something a little more complicated with regular expressions. Let's say I imported a topic that has a lot of paragraph classes and styles which are not compatible with my CSS. In order to clean up the code, I first check regular expressions. Then I enter the regular expression that will find any p tag, whether or not it has classes or styles or nothing, and will replace it with a simple clean p tag. Speeding up the author's editing process by providing easier ways to work from Adobe RoboHelp 10.